Have you ever been exhausted? Like you just don't understand. You're just tired for no damn reason. Like as in that has been my life for the past, shall I say 2 weeks? So this video is actually for you and for me also. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ruth. I'm very sure you've seen the intro. Yeah, that has been my life for the past 2 weeks. Like I don't feel like doing anything, so this video is getting my life together. And if you're out there too and you feel like your life is not together, like join me. Don't worry, you're not the only one. It's just things have been exhausting. You know that point whereby you're just tired of being tired. Yes, so join me in the journey of getting my life together in the next 24 hours, and I'll share my tips also with you guys. So let's get into the video. First thing I do is acknowledge the fact that you are in this space in your life. Like if you don't acknowledge, you won't be able to bring solution. Like if you don't know the problem, how will you be able to get solution? Number 2 is for you to give gratitude. I find that when I'm in this period of my life, what I need to do at the moment is for me to I like to watch sermons, praise and worship. I like to dance to my God, you understand? Because it just gives me this energy, this feeling. It makes me feel good. And especially if you're Christian, like speaking in tongues, like it just does a lot of things. I know you'll be saying, why didn't you do all this when you know that you were in that position before? See, the devil is a liar. You just forget these things up and you don't put it in motion. You don't use them. So this period, I give gratitude. I write journals. If you don't do that, I do that a lot. Brain dump. Like I open my book and write a lot. I have a lot of planners. Like I write them down. Like I just write everything in my mind down. Then I pray to God. I listen to sermons.
You have your Bibles with you, your notes, and ensure that you're also praying along. Okay, you have to pray because the Word of God is Spirit.
The third step for you to do is to declare. Like declare what you want. Say what you want. Faith, just speak. Speak it out. Say what you want. Tell yourself, oh, I'm good, I'm fine. God is with me. I cannot feel. It, the more your mind is renewed to that, for you to take action. I already said it. All those you're planning, all those things you wrote down in your brain dump, all those things you wrote down in your paper, take action. Like start doing them. Clean your environment. A clean space is a clean mind. Clean your environment. Start from that. Clean your surroundings. Clean your house. Arrange things. Put things in. Organize your stuff. So yeah. Worked out for a very long time. Like I've not moved my body, so I just try and do some, like, I'm not asking you to do intense workouts, just maybe 10 minutes workout or something. And if you can't do a workout in your house, you can go for a walk, but I'll prefer for you to work out in the house. Then just do like a clothing workout video, just a very low intensity workout, because you've not been in motion for a long time. So for you to start doing big on, my brother, please don't go and faint. So low intensity workout for now, then you graduate and you move. And it's not like all these things you just do for a day. It's consistency. Like you do it every day, even if it's just 5 minutes, you just do it. And last thing I do is to dress up. Like I dress up, even if I don't need anything. I go out for a walk. I just dress up, wear my makeup, go for a walk, and sometimes I call up friends. We can meet up somewhere and he or she will take me pictures. So I hope this points help you, and I hope you also get your life together, and I hope I'm not the only one that has been in this kind of mood since. And also I hope that by the time you're done watching this video, you have tips that can help you in case of next time you're there in this. So please comment down below how you're feeling this period. How is the holiday season going for you? Hope you're enjoying yourself. Hope you're with your family. And if you're not with your family, hope you're calling them and checking up on them. And yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yes, before I move, please join me on my live video on the 22nd of December. The time, the date will be on the poster right now over my face. So and let's discuss about our future plans, our visions, and all that for next coming year. It's never too late to plan. Don't ever feel like, oh, because 2020 went like this, 2021 will go that way. Even if it does, people still achieve a lot of things in 2020. But that's not that, like, for me to survive this 2020 is enough for me. So I give God the glory. That's just it. So join me on the 22nd of December, and I hope to see you there. Love you, and make sure you share my videos to your friends and family. I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers before the end of the year. If I can do that for myself, I'll be so happy. Thank you guys so much. Love you.